Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpi. Today I am going to explain trick for formal charges. How to find out the formal charge on an atom. Firstly, what is formal charge? Formal charge is a charge assigned to an atom in a molecule. Formal charge is that charge which is assigned to an atom in a molecule. And to find the stability of a molecule, we have to find firstly the formal charge. Okay, the formula for formal charge, short trick for finding the formal charge is, I am denoting formal charge as Fc. So formal charge is equal to number of valence electron. Firstly, you have to find the number of valence electron of an individual atom minus number of dots minus number of lines. Number of dots means the number of lone pair which are present over the atom, and number of lines means single bond or double bond or triple bond. This can be explained with the help of example. For example, I am taking the example of carbon dioxide. C double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. Okay. In Lewis-Dawes structure, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the Lewis-Dawes structure. If you want to find how to draw the Lewis-Dawes structure, I will give the link of the Lewis-Dawes structure in the description section so that you can learn easily how to draw the Lewis-Dawes structure. This is the Lewis-Dawes structure. Now we have to find the formal charge. For finding the formal charge, firstly assign carbon is only one, so it is carbon, and oxygen, this oxygen is one oxygen and this one is second, and these two oxygen are identical as both contain 2 lone pair of electron and 2 double bonds. So there is no need to assign 1 or 2, but I am assigning this. Firstly, find the formal charge on carbon atom. Okay, we have to find the formal charge on carbon atom. Firstly, number of valence electron. In case of carbon, electroatomic number is 6. It's 2 and 4 valence electrons. So number of valence electron is 4. Number of dots, in this case there is no dot, 0. Okay. Number of lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. It means formal charge on carbon is 0. In case of oxygen, formal charge on oxygen atom. Firstly, the number of valence electron on oxygen atom, oxygen 2 and 6. 6 valence electron minus number of dots 2 and 2 and 4. Number of dots is 4 and number of lines is 2. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. It means oxygen also getting formal charge 0. And the best Lewis structure is that structure, or stable structure is that structure which contain at least 0 formal charge. So this is the best Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. I am taking another example which is ozone, to find the formal charge on this ozone on each oxygen atom. So in this case, I am assigning this is oxygen number 1, this is oxygen number 2 and this is oxygen number 3. Now I am going to find out the formal charge on both on the 3 oxygen atoms. Firstly on oxygen number 1. Oxygen number 1, firstly number of valence electron in oxygen is 6 minus number of dots 2 and 2, 4 minus number of double bond, number of lines means 2, so 2 is equal to 0. It means this oxygen get 0 formal charge. And oxygen number 2, in this case, in oxygen number 2, the formal charge I have to calculate in this oxygen. Firstly, the valence electron is 6 minus number of dot is 2 minus number of bonds 1, 2 and 3 minus 3. So क्या हो गया, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. It means it carry plus 1 formal charge. And oxygen number 3, in oxygen number 3, number of valence electron is 6 and number of dot is also 6 and number of bond is minus 1. So formal charge is minus 1. So these are the formal charge in case of ozone. Is in oxygen 1 formal charge 0, in oxygen 2 formal charge is plus 1 and oxygen 3 formal charge is minus 1. So by using this trick, you have to find the formal charge on SO2. Okay. What is the formal charge in sulfur and what is the formal charge in oxygen? And write the answer in the comment section. Okay. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.